Hello everyone. The judges have slammed Dali Mpofu, who sought to mislead in Zuma's private prosecution attempt against Cyril Ramaphosa. In rejecting former President Jacob Zuma's application for the leave to appeal in litigation over his private prosecution of President Cyril Ramaphosa, the High Court also blasted Zuma's attorney and counsel Dali Mpofu SC for being unethical and attempting to mislead the court. Zuma made an application for leave to appeal a July judgment that declared his private prosecution of Ramaphosa unlawful and unconstitutional and set it aside. Zuma accused Ramaphosa of failing to take action against advocate Billy Downer following his complaint that Downer allegedly leaked medical records to a veteran journalist, Karen Morgan. Ramaphosa argued that he referred Zuma's complaint about Downer to Justice Minister Ronald Lamola and advised him to refer the matter to the Legal Practice Council, noting that he had neither the power nor any intention to interfere with the independence of the National Prosecuting Authority. While the High Court in Johannesburg said they did not believe that Zuma met the test for leave to appeal the matter, Judges Selby Bakwa, Lebohang Modiba, and Mohammed Ismail did not mince their words in blasting Mpofu, who argued Zuma's case. The full written judgment released to the public on the South African Legal Information Institute website found that by omitting key correspondence with the Deputy Judge, President Ronald Sutherland, Mpofu had failed in his ethical duty to court. The judges found that Zuma's attorney and Mpofu failed to allege it to the fact that DJP Sutherland had not granted condonation to the former president to belatedly pay the security required to institute his private prosecution of Ramaphosa. The judgment said if Mr. Ramaphosa's advocate Hamilton Manachi had not brought the existence of the Sutherland DJP's response to the court, this court would not have been aware of it. The said apparently Mr. Zuma's attorney did not give Mr. Mpofu instructions regarding Sutherland DJP's response to his request for an order evincing that the court in Part A condoned Mr. Zuma's late payment of security. Mr. Mpofu was merely copied in the correspondence. Having been copied in the correspondence, Mr. Mpofu also had an ethical duty to disclose Sutherland DJP's response to this court when he addressed the court in the application for leave to appeal, notwithstanding his client's persistence with the relevant ground of appeal. He too failed in his duty towards the court. In the result, Mr. Zuma's attorney and Mr. Mpofu sought to mislead this court by committing these omissions. Earlier in the week, the presidency welcomed the decision. Magwanye said, as we have always maintained from the onset, the private prosecution had no basis in law and constituted an abuse of private prosecution provisions. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.